Today I am reviewing the Skytech Gaming Nebula desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to finding a powerful, ready-to-play gaming PC without the hassle of building one yourself, the Skytech Gaming Nebula desktop PC stands out as a seriously compelling option. Packed with modern hardware, clean design, and solid performance, this system is clearly built with gamers and power users in mind. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the AMD Ryzen 7 5700 processor. With a base clock of 3.7 GHz and a boost up to 4.6 GHz, this CPU delivers excellent multi-core performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or multitasking across multiple applications, this processor handles it smoothly. It's especially great for users who want a balance between gaming performance and productivity without stepping into ultra-premium pricing. Now, paired with that CPU is where things get really exciting. The NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti with 16 GB of GDDR4 memory. This GPU is a powerhouse for modern gaming. It allows you to play demanding titles at 1440p resolution with high or even ultra settings while maintaining smooth frame rates. Games like Call of Duty, Cyberpunk-style open-world titles, and competitive shooters like Valorant or Apex Legends run incredibly well on this system. The 16 GB of VRM also gives it a big advantage for future-proofing, as newer games continue to demand more graphics memory. Another standout feature is the memory and storage combination. You're getting 32 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, which is more than enough for gaming and heavy multitasking. This means you can run games, stream, keep browser tabs open, and even edit content without slowdowns. On top of that, the 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD is blazing fast. Boot times are nearly instant, games load quickly, and file transfers feel incredibly snappy compared to traditional hard drives. Cooling is another area where Skytech did a great job. The system includes a high-performance air cooler along with multiple ARGB fans inside a mesh front case. This design ensures maximum airflow, helping keep temperatures under control even during long gaming sessions. Plus, the RGB lighting adds a nice aesthetic touch without being over the top. In terms of connectivity and usability, this PC covers all the essentials. It comes with Wi-Fi support, multiple USB ports including USB 3.2, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and HD audio connections. It's also worth mentioning that the system comes with Windows 11 pre-installed and, importantly, no unnecessary bloatware. That means you get a clean experience right out of the box. Another nice bonus is that Skytech includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse. While they may not be premium accessories, they're perfectly fine for getting started, especially if you're new to PC gaming. Now, let's talk about real-world gaming performance. This machine is clearly designed for 1440p gaming, and it delivers exactly that. You can expect 60 FPS or higher in most modern titles on high to ultra settings. Esports titles will easily go much higher, making this a great option even for competitive gamers. And thanks to the RTX architecture, you also get access to features like ray tracing and DLSS, which can further enhance visuals and performance. Of course, no system is perfect. While the 650W gold-rated power supply is efficient and reliable, it may limit extreme future upgrades if you plan to install significantly more power-hungry components later. However, for the current configuration, it's perfectly adequate and well-matched. Overall, the Skytech Gaming Nebula desktop PC is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, well-balanced gaming system. It combines strong CPU performance, a future-ready GPU, fast storage, and ample memory into a clean, ready-to-use package. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who just wants a fast and reliable desktop, this PC delivers impressive value. If you want a system that can handle today's games at high settings and still stay relevant for years to come, the Skytech Nebula is definitely worth considering.